guys, welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. President Emerson Mnangagwa has made fun of Nelson Chamisa, and he is now focusing on verses instead of a way forward. Actually, God should find a country to give to Nelson Chamisa because this one is taken and ZANUPF is here to stay.
Tabarakash VCCCCC takabarakasha zokuti heki asi mukuru wavo zvikanzi aenda washokora bva kuna Mwari rati kuri rati nyangwe matinda ruza asi Mwari ati ndawina tikati zvakanaka Mwari ngaachikupa nyika yekutonga kwete ino nokuti sitahwina varidzi vayo nanhasi kari kungotaura kana kane takombovata komuka mangwana kachingotaura kachataura nyika ichingofamba zanu ichingotonga hurumende ichingofamba ZANUPF is unstoppable. We will march on, march on.
Sometimes it feels like Zimbabwe is just a bitter nation because avari kuona vana vadiki vachibudira. Kudakeashe Mnangagwa has got experience. He was actually student executive council president in Lupane University between 2021 and 2022. He was elected unopposed. Saka ndoko wakawana experience yake. Mukomana akapedza chikoro between 2021 and 2022. I have attached the evidence. The achibva aitwa SRC president. So that's how he got his experience. Yekuti agovachira na cabinet yenyika. Meanwhile, Gift Ostalos Pelandaba Chavalala parliamentarian was taken into police custody for inciting violence Kubaba Fields when the police were hit by bozo fans after Alan Bashi, who was the referee, decided to ignore a penalty appeal. Yanga Ichifandra Kwaye Highlanders and the fans were angry. I don't know where Gift Ostalos comes in, but at the end, Aka posted at the end of the match, he actually posted with fearful call, and this is what is allegedly what caused the violence.